No matter who you are or where you live, searching for certain topics online can have dire consequences, potentially landing you in jail. Every day we use search engines like Google, Safari, Bing and many others for everything from minor queries to major research. However, some searches can trigger highly advanced monitoring systems that track and investigate online activities. Authorities and security agencies operate 24/7, keeping a close watch on searches related to bombs, explosives, weapons, and any content that poses a threat to humanity. The moment you search for such topics, your data is captured and an immediate investigation may be launched. Browsing websites related to hacking tools, malicious softwares, or cybercrimes tutorials also raises red flags. Sophisticated surveillance systems continuously monitor these activities, and engaging with such content can put you under scrutiny. One of the most severe crimes globally is accessing or distributing child pornography. Laws across the world strictly prohibit such content, and offenders face harsh penalties, including lifetime imprisonment. Similarly, watching or downloading pirated movies is a punishable offense. In India, for instance, engaging in online piracy can lead to up to 3 years of imprisonment and hefty fines. Whether consciously or unconsciously searching for such content online, a single careless search can lead to real-world legal consequences. Instead, use the internet for productive and positive purposes to safeguard yourself and your loved ones. Stay informed, stay safe.